Alright, y'all. So we about to make some Reese's cookies and Captain Crunch cookies.
Oh, not Captain Crunch. It's
Cinnamon Toast Crunch cookies.
It's right here. You open it from this restaurant right here.
No, it's coming from the side. It says tear. Let me get some scissors.
I ain't seen
It
that.
says tear.
Oh, tear. Okay. Oh, I got it.
Here, sit down, sit down, sit down.
I got
sit down,
mine.
sit down.
Somehow.
Here, come here.
Somehow I just got mine, but it's not pulling all the way. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, you just, okay, yours is easy.
Mine was easy.
All right, y'all, we're gonna pour these in here. You ready? You didn't go low enough?
Open?
All right, hold on, Mama. Wait for brother. Wait. Don't do that. Why are you so hard? You listening? Sit still. Just be still for you have all over the place. Hold on. Okay. Now while brother's working on that, we're gonna put you an egg. Wait, one egg. Here. Here. Open it. Why did you squeeze it?
Sorry, Mom.
Oh gosh, y'all. Hold on. There's 8 big ones. We just gonna do. Hey, why is that cursing? Z.
I moved out of it.
Okay, going into the oven.
Okay, you halfway done.